Hello everyone, this is John from Campus. Today I'm in our factory to show you our LED rental screen. This is our XS LED rental screen P1.9 GOB. This is about 400 square meters and ready to go to Europe. As you know, our XS series LED screen with PST and PMS technology. What is PST? It's power sharing technology. This screen, we call it never black screen because the power can sharing each other. Even if one power fails, the near powers can share the circuit to their damaged power. So it's never black. Second technology is PMS technology, power monitor system. We can use the software to detect which power damage and note the position. So let's see the effect. Let's see from the back side. Here is the corner panel. You can see this is about 10 meters length and 2 meters high. This is all corner. 45 degrees. You can see. Let's see from the front. We can use the corner panel assembled together to achieve flat surface. It's also very flat. This is all by corner panel. And this one is our XSC flexible screen. This is XSC flexible. You can see it's flexible. The corner is adjustable very easily. This is an S shape. Our XS LED screen is all 7680 Hz high refresh rate. This is a 90-degree corner. You can see. And you can see this is a circuit shape by XSC flexible LED screen, 12 LED panels. Campus always the best.